Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Tired of slow internet speeds caused by weak Wi-Fi signals? This video demonstrates how to properly install and configure the Linksys RE7350 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 wireless range extender so you can extend your network and enjoy better connectivity across your home. Follow this easy guide to connect the extender to your router and expand your Wi-Fi coverage for faster internet. Whether you are installing it for the first time or replacing an old extender, this video will guide you through every step. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the box of the Linksys RE7350 dual-band Wi-Fi 6 AX1800 wireless range extender, you will typically find the Linksys RE7350 Wi-Fi extender, a quick start setup guide, and regulatory or safety information documents. These items help you easily install and configure the extender to boost your Wi-Fi signal at home. Now plug the Linksys RE7350 into a wall power outlet. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds. The LED light will start blinking orange, meaning it is ready for setup. On your laptop, tablet, or smartphone, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network named Linksys Extender Setup. Tap or click it to connect. It does not require a password at this stage. Launch any browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type http://extender.linksys.com or http://192.168.1.1. Then press Enter. You will now see the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi Setup page. Click Start Setup to begin the process. Choose the as a wireless range extender option if asked. The extender will now scan for all available Wi-Fi networks nearby. You will see a list of networks. This may take a few seconds. Click on your home Wi-Fi network name, the one from your router. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, you may see both. Select one or both as needed. Now, it will ask for your Wi-Fi password for the network you selected in the previous step. Make sure you type it correctly. Click Next to continue. You can either keep the same name as your main Wi-Fi, seamless roaming, or add _ext at the end, e.g., home Wi-Fi _ext, for easy identification. Choose your preference and click Next. The extender will now apply the settings and reboot. This can take around 60 to 90 seconds. Once done, the LED will turn solid green, showing successful setup. Setup complete. Your Linksys RE7350 Wi-Fi 6 extender should now boost your Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.